In this video, I am going to introduce the advanced features of Dhan Market Watch along with the examples. When you log in into Dhan, you see a simple layout with the Market Watch on the left side, home menu dashboard on the right side, menu on the top. Watch lists are so important for a trader to track stock or script. It's like heartbeat, so we made it with the utmost care and special for you. We have updated and revamped our complete infrastructure to ensure it's so easy to you to add important shortcuts to your watch list. Dhan is possibly the first in the industry to take a complete new approach with the watch lists and bringing upfront precise summary with required information on futures and options snapshot for the traders to make everything super easy for traders and improve the experience significantly on both application and web platform of Dhan. I will explain these in a bit with the example so that you won't miss any details. Coming to the Market Watch, we have given you an advanced universal search box which can search through hundreds and thousands of scripts on any exchange in one go, and I'll demonstrate it very quickly to you. So to access the universal search box, you can just click in the box directly. By default, it will show you recent searched scripts along with the top 10 trending stocks, means top 10 searched scripts by all Indian traders. Start typing in the name of the script that you wish to track. For example, ITC. So the results show up related to ITC and will give you the options to either add it to the opened watch list or buy and sell directly and open the candlestick chart. I am going to add this to my watch list and it's that simple. And let's see ITC once again. You can see this little orange label. It's indicate that the script is already added to in your watch lists so that you can avoid duplicity. But if you want, you can add. We gave you the choice to choose whether to add it or not. What we have done differently is that we are the first to introduce a new feature called summaries. In this, you'll find a future summaries, option summaries and advanced option chain summaries of that stock. You can add them directly to your watch list. Summaries are the easiest way to access current and upcoming tradable scripts of that selected stock or indexes, all in one place with the comparison. We implemented this feature to decrease the pressure of a trader. This is a must-try feature for all traders. Now I want to track something on MCX. So type MCX followed by the name of the script, for example crude. That gives you the most relevant results and you can track by adding it to your watch list. Now I want to track something like Euro USD. Just type in. That's it. It's that easy. If you want to track index in Dhan, there are three methods to do it. First method is we give you a small box on the top of the Market Watch. Click on it. Drop down list opens and select the desired index to track. The second method is in the Market Watch subsection of the home dashboard, we have added major indexes for easy access to the traders so that you can track and analyze live market as quickly as possible by just give a glance or by clicking on the index. This will save the time in peak times like opening and closing hours of the market. Third method is a traditional way. All I have to do is first type in index and there you have all your indexes which are available. Just click on add. And as you can see, ITC is trading at 258 and I would like to track the call option of that script. So I just type in ITC and type 260 and it shows me all the relevant results and I can add the 260 rupees call of ITC. Now I will explain what is in the one script. You have your script name and exchange name on the left side, and if you buy the stock for the long term, it will show up here with the quantity and buying price. LTP or the last traded price is shown on the top right side. You have this percentage change from the previous day close. Up arrow, down arrow shows the whether the script has ticked up or down from the previous day close. When you hover your mouse closer to this, you have buy and sell, charting and market depth along with the delete option. Market depth gives you bids and offers, top 5 bids and top 5 offers along with the graphical representation of buy order and sell orders with the comparison along with the OHLC values. Cool, right? Here you have the chart. You can directly open the chart into TradingView site or you can open the chart in the same window. A cool thing which is available on Dhan is by just clicking on any script, it will open complete information related to that stock and tradable futures and tradable options and option chain and summaries with the comparison and more in one place. With all of this, you need to know that you can add 100 scripts in one watch list and you can have up to 10 watch lists in the market watch. Means you can track 1000 scripts at the same time. In addition to this, we also introduced the invested watch list that shows the symbol I. Every time you invest in stocks for the long term, it is added to this watch list where you can track them, and when you sell stocks, they are automatically removed from this list. We introduced historical performance data in watch list and also make this in real time. It will help you to see the percentages changes in the price of the stock from the time you added it to get better insight and help you to make the informed investing decisions. When markets are open, you see this information in real time.